How to make YouTube video go viral. You're doing it wrong. Everyone who has a video on YouTube wants their video to go viral because when it does, boom, your traffic will explode. There isn't an exact formula for making a video go viral, but here are a few tips that should help you create a popular video and perhaps one that goes viral and takes your viewership to the next level. If anyone tells you they have a way on how to make your YouTube video go viral, is being dishonest with you. It's basically a crapshoot. But, at the end of this video, I do have an offer that will put the odds more in your favor for your YouTube video to go viral. Let's get started. 1. Keep it short. Viral videos are never 9 minutes long. If you want a video to go viral, keep it over 30 seconds and under 4 minutes. When people see a video that's too long, often they won't watch it because they don't have that much time to invest. However, if a video is too short, they'll assume it's just something pointless. You don't have to tell every single thing about your product or whatever you're selling. Just give enough to get them intrigued so they'll want to know more. 2. No babbling. If you're blabbing on and on about how your product, make money offer, weight loss is the greatest since sliced bread and how much money you can make, it will never ever go viral. Most YouTube viral videos are funny and random. If you want a plain old marketing video, that's fine, but if you want a viral video, keep it fun, short, and don't take yourself too seriously. 3. Read your comments, but don't respond to them. If you read the comments for most popular videos on YouTube, there are going to be some people who love the video and some people who are making fun of it. It doesn't matter. Don't get offended when people talk bad about you or your video and don't respond. And another thing, whatever you do, don't delete the negative comments. No matter how mean they are, if people are talking about your video, it's a good thing. 4. Don't think about it too hard. Like I said before, there isn't a blueprint for making your videos go viral. Very few do, and it's usually the one that the creator never even thought twice about. If you're trying too hard, people will be able to tell and your video will go nowhere. Listen, out of all the videos on YouTube, there will be majority of them that will ever truly be considered viral videos. It would have to be out of this world. However, if you follow these steps, how to make YouTube video go viral, you'll heighten your chances of creating a great viral video that could send your online career to the next level. Here are 2 special offers that I recommend you check out to put the odds more in your favor to creating an amazing YouTube video. 1. The Ultimate YouTube SEO Cheat Sheet for free. 18 simple tricks elite marketers use to consistently win traffic pumping #1 rankings with videos. 2. Content Samurai 7-day free trial. Create an unlimited number of traffic-pumping videos using the world's fastest and most intelligent video creation system for 7 days, completely free. For more details, click the link in the description box today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe.